Hi everyone, in today's video I will convert my this old shawl into a beautiful two items. Don't skip the video because you will learn some new techniques how you can stitch button with sewing machine and something new. So see, first I fold it like this way. Measurements are written on the screen, and now I'm just cutting from here. And this triangle piece is our first project, so just stitch from here. This is on obviously in 2/4, but on the edge just make here a loop. You can take any ribbon or anything to make here loop because we need to attach on the other corner button. So now I'm just stitching this all opening part of my this triangle piece. And guys, if you are first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you really like this video. And I already uploaded a complete tutorial for beginners, complete course in which you will learn step by step dress making and pattern making techniques. So now after stitching all the way, just leave here almost 2 to 3 inches so that after stitching we can turn it inside out. So now I'm just turning it inside out, and now at this point you can press it first and then stitch the top stitch here all the way, so it will become more neat. Now on the other corner I'm going to attach a button, but with machine. First we need this button foot and this plate that is given by your with your machine. So just place this plate here. The reason for putting this plate is that you secure your feed dog, so in this way the machine will not move your fabric. Now I'm just attaching this buttonhole foot, and now place your button. And now on the zigzag, check first by hand that what is the width required. Here we need the zigzag stitch, so when you are okay with your stitch width, then you can start your machine by your pedal. So in this way very easily and very secure button you can place. So now after this let me show the final look of this easy project. See, this is a neck scarf, or even you can wear it on head in different style. In next I will show you how you can wear in one another style. So this is the remaining part of the width and length. Now I just fold it like this way. All measurements are written. So after leaving 6 inches for the arm or sleeves, I'm stitching from here by leaving 1 inch or 2.5 centimeter as a seam allowance on both sides. I just leave the 6 centimeter for the sleeve. So now just turn this all this way. This is the edges, and see from sleeves as well you can stitch. And guys, same project you can make with any fancy or dupatta or anything. It's not necessary that you will make it for only for winters. You can style this cape design for different occasions. So now let me show. This is the final result of this cape. Very easy, within 5 minutes you can make this easy and stylish cape from any of your old shawl or dupatta, and you can wear both these items all together as well. And this is the way that you can style. Thank you.